So let's talk about how to use Facebook to promote and grow your home remodeling business. Hi, my name is Carl with Remodeling Marketing Team, and if you have not scheduled a strategy session with me yet, be sure and do that at the link below this video. So let's talk about using Facebook to not only promote but to grow your home remodeling business. And there's a couple of things that are really critical to you here. First and foremost is you need to have a Facebook business page. And let me clarify, because sometimes people get confused between their personal profile and their Facebook business page. What you want to have is a Facebook business page. It's like your own profile, except it's for your business, right? So when you do that, make sure that your branding is on there, and make sure your phone number's on there, make sure your website's on there, make sure you have a call to action button set up. Those are all critical components of your Facebook business page. And what that's going to allow you to do is create a central hub on Facebook for your business where you can advertise from, where you can share content from, where you can post to groups from. So this is going to be a critical piece for you. So set up that page, but take some time to do it. Make sure you use all of the features available to you. Fill out the about information, your hours, your contact information. Be sure and set up your call to action button. Make sure your messenger is ready to go if you want to use an automated response when somebody contacts you. Get all those things in place. The second thing you want to do is you want to start sharing interesting content on Facebook. Fortunately, as a home remodeler, you already have the advantage of before and after pictures. People love that type of content. But beyond that, there's a little formula that I like to throw out there. About once a week, you want to throw out something stupid, funny, or cute. And when I say cute, I mean kittens, puppies, and little babies. Those types of things get lots of engagement. And what that will do is it will drive what's called page rank for you on Facebook. Facebook evaluates, are you posting content that is getting interaction? And when your content gets interaction, then Facebook will show your regular content to more people. So make sure you keep it interesting. Bring out the personality of your company, bring out the personality of your employees, bring out projects you've done, things of local interest, things that are humorous. Make sure it's not 100% business. Keep it interesting. People are on social media because they want to be entertained and they want to pass the time. Give them a reason to do that with your Facebook page. Next thing you want to do is you want to interact in relevant Facebook groups, in particular those that deal with your area. My client here in Wichita, Kansas, Wichita Homeworks, participates in local interest groups, local marketplace groups, local investor groups, local builders association groups. All of those are relevant groups. You could get involved in a neighborhood community group, a charitable cause group. There's lots of places you can get involved. And here's the other thing. If you can't find a group that fits exactly what you're looking for, create one of your own. Affinity groups are great things to create. I've got groups with over 10,000 people for things like muscle cars and German Shepherds. So you can use those types of groups to help build relationships and draw people into your business as well. Make sure that you are commenting on relevant Facebook posts. Is there another business in your area that's doing something cool? Go out and comment on it. Comment on the victory of your local high school sports team. Go out and comment on new happenings around your area, new festivals and events and concerts. Stay relevant and be in the midst of those conversations. People want to engage with you, they just don't want you shouting at them all the time. And then finally, don't forget the power of Facebook ads. Facebook ads are one of my favorite tools. Some of the lowest cost advertising you can be involved in, and some of the best targeted advertising you can be involved in, because people on Facebook self-disclose who they are, what they're interested in, and what they're doing. And so you can do a lot with a very low-cost Facebook ad campaign. And here's the beauty of Facebook ads. Not only will it be on Facebook, but it's going to advertise on Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and mobile devices as well. It's a great advertising tool for you. Just a few thoughts for you on building your home remodeling business on Facebook. Hope you find those helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.